Local blueberries are full of flavor. Once picked, blueberries store best when kept in the refrigerator and will typically last 1 to 2 weeks. To maximize storage time, wait to wash them until you are ready to eat them. One of the simplest ways to enjoy them is fresh on their own. However, blueberries can add a delicious sweet flavor when paired with other foods. For a quick breakfast full of nutrients, try adding them to a yogurt parfait. Simply layer non-fat yogurt, whole grain cereal, whole blueberries, and a dash of cinnamon. As the days get hotter in North Carolina, nothing beats a cold, refreshing treat. Med instead of meds, banana granada with blueberries tastes similar to ice cream, but is made only with 3 ingredients. Simply peel and freeze overripe bananas in a freezer bag. Once ready, add to a food processor with honey and blend until smooth. Top with blueberries and enjoy. Or, if you want to enjoy the taste of seasonal blueberries year-round, try freezing them. Freeze berries in a thin layer on a sheet pan before transferring them to a freezer bag. Washing and then freezing can make the skins tough. Instead, wash them after freezing when you're ready to use them. To learn more about the availability of local blueberries in your area, check out the Visit NC Farms app search feature and select blueberries.